What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. We have a new update rolling out for OnePlus 7 series and still we don't have Android 11 stable builds available for these devices. Few days back we received Oxygen OS Open Beta 3 based on Android 11 and today OnePlus have started rolling out Oxygen OS Open Beta 4. Update is rolling out in batches, so if you are already running Oxygen OS Open Beta 3, you should receive it via System Update section. But for those who are running stable channel of Oxygen OS 10.3.8, which is currently this latest stable version, they can download the full zip file and install it manually. I installed Open Beta 4 directly over the stable channel of Oxygen OS, which was 10.3.8, and that did not wipe my data. But still, for safety purpose, make sure to take a backup of your device. Now talking about the installation process, make sure to download the zip file from the description below, and right now I have only files available for OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7T Pro. Other files will be uploaded soon. Just download those files and place it inside the internal storage of your device. If you are running stable channel, make sure to download the complete zip file and take a backup of your device. If you are running Open Beta 3, you can use the incremental file. Once you have downloaded the file and placed it inside the internal storage, just go to Settings, System Update. Then you need to tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner, select Local Upgrade, and you will be able to see the file. Tapping on it will give you an option to install. When I did that over the stable channel of Oxygen OS, I got this pop-up: this system update will not affect your data. But still guys, make sure to take a backup of your device. I've already installed it on my device. Let me show you the software information first by going to Settings, About section, and here you can see Android version is Android 11. We still have 1st Jan 2021 security patch and build number is Oxygen OS Open Beta 4. First let's talk about the benchmark results. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 715 and multi-core has scored 2443. On the previous update, single core has scored 723 and multi-core had scored 2343. With Antutu benchmark application, device scores 4,58,466. Now talking about the changelogs, there are no major changes done. Few fixes have been done over the previous open beta. So these are the changelogs which are related to system and Bluetooth. After this update, we have launcher version which is 5.0.27. Camera version is version 6.4.44. And talking about camera improvements, I'll be covering that in a review video. So whatever issues you have been facing on Oxygen OS Open Beta 3, drop them in the comment section below. I'll cover everything in a complete review video after testing out this build for few days. And the first changelog is related to this battery icon in the status bar. On the previous builds, few users were reporting issues related to the display of battery icon in the status bar. So if anyone haven't updated their device to Beta 4, kindly send me the screenshot on my Telegram group. After that, they have done few fixes related to system stability. Until now, I haven't found out any kind of jitters or lag while using the device running Oxygen OS Open Beta 4. And the last changelog is related to Bluetooth. In the changelogs, they have mentioned fix the issue where Bluetooth headsets are silent in aptX adaptive mode. But if I connect my device to my OnePlus Buds Z, I only have an option of AAC and SBC audio codec. You guys let me know in the comment section below, is it the same for you guys if you are connecting your device to OnePlus Buds Z, or you get other options like aptX audio? On Beta 4, OnePlus still haven't added Always On feature in the main settings of ambient display. Always On feature is still available under OnePlus Lab. So guys, this was the quick look on the latest build for OnePlus 7 series, which is Oxygen OS Open Beta 4. Kindly drop down all your issues what you have been facing on Oxygen OS Open Beta 3. We'll be covering everything in a review video. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.